My name is Sulfikar Aziz, majoring in Nautical Level 2.
Introduce myself, my name is Muhammad Sarid, in my major Nautical Level 2. Thank you. Watching too much TV?
What do you mean?
I mean you're watching your life.
I am having fun.
You're sitting there with your mouth open.
Oh, Carlos.
I called do something.
Okay, I did something.
What do you do?
I turned up the volume.
That's not what I mean by do something.
Will you do something? Leave me alone. TV?
What do you mean?
I mean you're wasting your life.
I'm having.
You're sitting there with your mouth open.
Who cares?
I can't do something.
Okay, I did something.
What did you do?
I turned up the volume.
That's not that. I mean by do something.
Will do something? Leave me alone.